हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम इन codelearnium। सो हम न्यू सीरीज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एंड दिस इज द जावास्क्रिप्ट बिल्ट-इन फंक्शन मास्टरी फ्रॉम बेसिक टू प्रो। यस, इन दिस सीरीज में हम ऑल ऑल जावास्क्रिप्ट इनबिल्ट फंक्शन को कवर करेंगे। सो यू कैन सी आई हैव मेड द दिस टॉक्स एंड यू विल see the all videos on these all topics with the real example. So let's start the today video and आज के वीडियो में हम in these 4 topics को कवर करने वाले हैं। So let's start the video. So I hope you know about the array. You know what is array. So array is just a data structure. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is just a basic array and we can log this using console.log, right? Okay, and then you can see in the console this is the array we printing. So in this video we will cover these 4 inbuilt functions. So the first is push, second is pop, shift, unshift. So let's discuss about the push. So push is push add item to end of the array. So let's try it out. So how we can use it? We will use it like first we will invoke the array, then dot, then push, then we can push anything whatever we want. So let's I want to push 10. Okay, and let's see the output on the console. So console again. So you can see, let's Control S, let's refresh the page and you will see the output. You can see before we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then after push we console in line number 13. You can see from line number 13 we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10 also because we push 10. So it means we can add, we are successfully able to add element in the end of the array. Okay, and next method is pop. So what will do it? It will remove last item from the array. So let's try it. What mean by? So right now we have this output in the console, right? And when we will use array dot pop, then what will happen? We will see the output and we should see the output with again the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's comment out this and then console again. So after pop, so if we will console again after pop, you will see the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again, because in line number 11 we push 10. So you can see we successfully able to push 10, and then in line number 13 we are consoling. So you can see this is the output, and line number 18 we are again popping the one element from the in the last. So you can see again one element removed from the last. Okay, and what will happen if we will write like this in line number 19? In line number 18 array.pop, and in line number 19 again array.pop. So you will see the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because we are adding only one element or we are removing 2 elements. So in our original array right now we have only the 5 element, right? Okay, so let's discuss about shift. Shift will remove first item from array. Okay, what mean by? So if we will use it, then what will happen? Remove one element from the start. It means it should print like this output if we will do array dot shift, then you will see the output. Let's remove another consoles and also comment out the another codes so you will not confuse. Okay, so now you will see this is the our original array 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after it we do array dot shift. So you can see one element is removed from the start. And what will happen if we will duplicate it? Means we will call 2 time array dot shift. So अब देखेंगे again 2 element is deleted from the starting. Okay, so again comment out this and let's try out unshift also. So what will happen when we do array dot unshift, and then if we want, if we give again 10 to here, so what will do? So right now we have the original array is this, right? We have this and we are doing unshift 10. So what it will do? Add item to start of the array. So we should the output 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, yes. So what, let's see what will be the output. You can see we have the same output 10 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if we will do again call it, then you can see again we have the 2 element. Okay, so that's all about these 4 array functions, and we will meet next time with the some more inbuilt functions.